What's up, you guys? It's Mikeya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this easy, simple holiday look. And if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, you guys should continue to watch. Okay, starting off, my eyebrows are already done. And if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, you can click the card in the top right hand corner. And so I'm going to start off with my primer. This is from Maybelline. And I want to make sure I blend all of this in. I want to blend out my pores as much as possible. And then I'm going to go in with my Master Prime from Maybelline and put this all over my face. And then I want to color correct. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange, and I'm just going to put this all over my dark spots. And let that set just a little bit, and then I'm going to take this makeup sponge and I want to blend this out. And then to set that, I'm going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder, and this just ensures that the concealer doesn't bulge under my foundation, and you really don't see it under my foundation. So this is why I set it. And I'm just going to take a powder brush and brush that excess powder away. And the foundation I'm using today is from LOreal. This is their True Match foundation in the color C7. And I'm just going to put this on my face, and then I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge and I'm going to blend that out. And then I go in with another layer to give me more coverage, and I take a brush and then I go back in with my sponge to blend it out. And to highlight, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I just put a little bit on. And then I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer in the shade C5, I think, no, C7. And I'm going to just highlight a little bit more. And then I'm going to blend that out as well. And then I'm going to take the back of the sponge and blend that out as well. And then I'm going to take this darker shade in the L'Oreal foundation, and I'm going to use that as my bronzer today, just to add a little bit more color back into my skin. And then I'm going to blend it out with a stippling brush. I just like the way the stippling brush brings out my contour or bronzing. I just really like it. It looks very flawless. And then I go over that with my sponge to make sure everything is blended in. And then I want to set under my eyes with my Sache Buttercup. And I like to set other areas, my nose and my forehead and on my chin. And then I'm going to go in on my black Opal's powder, Deluxe powder, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And I like to go in with a flat foundation brush, powder brush, and I like to buff in the rest of the powder on my face to make sure everything is set. And then I'm using a blush from the BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette, and I'm going to use that and apply that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to enhance my bronzer just a little bit more. This is from Shea Moisture. This is their pressed powder in the color Sable. And for my eyes, I'm just going to add a little bit more concealer to my eyelids, and then I'm going to take a brush and blend that out. So the first color I add, I'm going to be taking this color here, and I'm going to put this on my eyebrow arch. I'm using the BH Cosmetics neutrals palette, their blush neutrals palette, bone area, and then I'm going to take this orangey red color, and I'm going to pop that right in my crease, and I'm going to blend that up into the first shade that I applied first. And next I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to apply that right into my crease, and making sure I blend it out and into this first color. Then on my lid, I'm going to take this shade here, and I just put this all over my lid. And just blend out the corners just a little bit, and just for a little bit more pizzazz, I just take this shade here and I pop that right at the front of my lid, the beginning of my lid, 1/3 of my lid. And then I'm going to take this brown liner. I forgot what this is from. I think it's from Wet n Wild, and I put that in my waterline. And I just go back in with that red orange shade to smoke out my waterline. And then I take the darker shade and put it in the outer corner. And for my inner corner, I just take this light champagne color. Now I just set my face. Then I go in with this highlighter from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Avalon. And then I go back into the eyeshadow palette, and I just use a gold highlight. So I just finished setting my face with my Makeup Revolution setting spray, and I go in with my e.l.f. Mist and Set. And then for my lips, I'm taking this lip pencil from, I think, LA Girl. Is in the color, ooh, I forgot, I will link it down below. And then I use that and fill my lips all the way in. And then on top of that, I go in with a brown lip pencil, and I think this is from Colormates. And right in the center, I'm taking another lip pencil from LA Girl, and this is in the color Mauve, just to lighten up the center of my lips a little bit. And I have to add lip gloss. I could have completely left it alone, but I just had to add lip gloss. I don't know what's up with me in lip gloss as of late, but I just had to have lip gloss. Yeah, this is the complete look, you guys. Hope you guys like this look for the holidays. Of course, I'm going to have more coming up very soon. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And you guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.